How much time does your team spend creating the same health certificate over and over? Clients with frequent travel to the same locations, the repetitive data entry is not just time-consuming, it's a drain on your clinic's efficiency. But what if you could complete that paperwork in seconds? With CVI Templates from GlobalVetLink, you can. CVI Templates allow you to save common shipment details so you can instantly create future certificates without re-entering the same information. They are key to a faster, more accurate CVI, giving you back valuable time to focus on your patients. Now, let's walk through a real scenario. Imagine you have a client who regularly sends steers to the same offsite farm. Instead of creating from scratch every time, let's create a template. First, navigate to the Templates tab in the main menu. Then, click Create CVI Template to get started. Here, you'll select your certificate type and give your template a clear, descriptive name so your team can easily find it later. Now, simply fill out all the information that stays the same for this client: the owner, the destination, the purpose of movement, and any other details. Once done, click Save Template. And that's it. Your template is now saved and ready for anyone in the clinic to use. So next time your client needs a CVI, the process is incredibly fast. Just go to your templates, find the one that you need, click Actions, and select Create CVI. Instantly, the GlobalVetLink platform populates a new CVI with all the saved information. All the key details are already there. You can still edit anything you need before signing, but the bulk of the work is already done. With CVI templates, you can dramatically reduce the time it takes to create certificates, minimize the risk of typos, and streamline your entire clinic's workflow. You just created a new CVI in a fraction of the time. Ready to stop the repetitive data entry? Log into your account and get started with CVI templates today.